Okay, so we have some fun and games here. Remember, this is that upside down. I just wanted to go over. This is a isometric drawing, isometric printout, and unfortunately, what I've accidentally done. Can you see here? The end of this point overlaps that pipe, and there is one pipe somewhere here which is actually pointing directly at the viewpoint, so you can't even see the damn thing. It's not 37, that one's pointing up at an angle like this, but it is actually visible. And there's one thing, I should have taken a little bit more care over printing this diagram. So finding the pipes on this is hair-raising in itself, and it doesn't help that I've actually misnumbered these three. It's actually 25, 27, 26 or something like this. Sigh. Yeah, 25, 26, 27. I think those two are swapped or something like that, which doesn't help. So what we now have is this part here is now in without these. I don't think these bits are doing yet. Let me see. That yes, because the node that goes here, there isn't a node that goes here because this is the wheel well. So the next node, and again on this side, that's the wheel well here. That node here, this one here, is the other side of the wheel arch and is also for the front splitter. Needs to hang off of, not of that, but the one that goes onto this. So, oh, this is the, come on in, cat. This is a stray cat. It's 19 years old. Hello, Alfie. Yeah, darling. Hello. Alfie's here. You want food? Sorry, I'm doing the cat. So what I've got to do is I've got to put this on to that frame, and also to connect it to get a tripod. You need a not a tetrahedron, but an unequal sided tetrahedron. But basically, you need a tripod of tripods, I think. And I thought that this one would be what connected to this, but that is only one of them, and I'm trying to find the other one that connects to it. Okay, so this node that comes out here is numbered F4, front 4. I'm switching it back up, so again that this is the floor. This is F4. Now connected to F4 is pipe number 31 and pipe numbers 32. Yes, darling, I know. Yeah, 31 and 32. So I've managed to successfully find and identify 31. Yes, darling, I know. There. And that's the front 4, so you can see it's marked front 4. But it goes to bonnet 9. Now, bonnet 9 in the numbering starts from 0. It goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that goes, we know that goes there because front 4, F4 is about here. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So now we also need to identify the other one, which is number 32. Okay, let's look through the list, and we're looking for, where is it going to? It's going to, I've marked it on here, B5. All right, now let's just check that. 0, 1, 2. This is back bonnet 0, bonnet 1, bonnet 2, bonnet 3, bonnet 4, bonnet 5. Yes, this one. That one going up to there, connecting from there to there. All right, so we want front 4 to bonnet 5, 32. Pipe number 32, front 4 to bonnet 5. Yeah! So that is a 30mm, so it's a bamboo pole. And it is this one here. Yeah, that's the correct one. All right, it's got at front F4 to B5. So I just so I can now cut that and measure it and etc. And measure it and cut it and check it and etc. etc. But ye gods, I just wanted to go over this and emphasize this is like, you know, when you get those instructions that are in Chinese that have been translated really badly, and they were really bad technical descriptions in the first place. It's like that, except I'm responsible for it. Making it up as I go along. So anyway, say hello to Alfie.